A Florida man says he spent Monday night in jail after he was pulled over and arrested by Davie Police for the license plate frame on his rental car. Demarquize Dawson posted a photo of the license plate frame. According to an updated memo by Florida Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles, your frame can cover the top or bottom of the plate as long as an officer can identify the state. We've been talking about this for what seems like weeks now. In a statement, Davie Police said the wording of the law was vague, unclear, and appeared to be open for misinterpretation. They released Dawson with an apology, saying his arrest was invalid. To help clear things up, at least in Miami, the Miami-Dade tax collector sent out this image, and Davie Police explained the new guidance before apologizing to Dawson.
So as long as officers are able to read your numbers here and this registration sticker up here, you can have a frame. If it's partially covering here, where you can partially see Florida or just halfway see Sunshine State, you're all right.
Right.
So, and that was Davie Police, the ones that put him in jail.
We have to bring in our Crystal Moyer for this, our traffic anchor. You did warn us about this, but Crystal, it's so vague. I see so many lawsuits coming out of this and a lot of frustration, no doubt.
It is, and the conversation continues. I mean, when the memo came out from the State Department, they said as the primary characters need to be shown, whether it's the license plate number and the decal. But what they also say, which is very vague, the law enforcement needs to be able to see where the state, the state of the plate. That can mean anything.
Yep.
That can mean I need to fully see the Sunshine State, or I need to see the myflorida.com. And as you are looking at all of these social media posts from different agencies, they're conflicting information.
Oh, boy.
I've talked to FHP, I've talked to other different agencies, I've looked online, and they are all explaining different things that they need to see on your plate, which causes an issue statewide.
So the best advice you'd give is just take off your plate to keep it safe.
I mean, that's what an attorney told me. I spoke with an attorney actually involved in a license plate case back in 2019 that's referenced in that state memo, and he said he took his off because it's just, if you do get arrested and maybe unlawfully, do you want to fight it, pay for an attorney? It took him over 2 years to fight that case before his client was let off, and then the money that's going to cost. So until they can really get down to the details and every agency on the same page, you got to ask yourself, do you want to risk it?
Yeah, play it safe.
When in doubt, throw it out.
Yeah, let's check it now with meteorologist Mike Prangley.